Hey, citizens of Gotham, what's up? We're here in La Playa, where a lot of activity happening, and we're talking with Antonio, who's a street vendor who also started accepting Bitcoin. And we're going to ask him, how long have you been accepting Bitcoin? And what did you first think of it, and what do you think of using it now?
Okay. ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que aceptas Bitcoin? ¿Qué opinabas antes de Bitcoin, antes de aceptarlo? Y ahora, ¿qué opinas?
Los primeros días no lo hallaba muy bien, pero luego ya con el tiempito ya lo fui entendiendo más, ya vi que era un poco mejor. Sí.
Okay. Cool. ¿Y cuánto tiempo hace que lo aceptas?
Lo más como 2 años.
2 años.
Como 2 años, sí.
Wow.
Dejé, pero lo ocupaba y ya luego lo dejé ocupar. Como la gente acá no.
Okay. Okay, so it's been 2 years that he accepts Bitcoin. He started accumulating some, and then he stopped, and now he went back to it, and he's now accepting payments for his products, which are minutas.
And so how has Bitcoin helped or improved his business?
Ajá. ¿Cómo Bitcoin ha ayudado a tu negocio en tus ventas y todo eso?
Bueno, por el momento ya he recibido a gente de venido turismo que no pudo pagar así en efectivo, ¿no? Que andaba Bitcoin y como andaba yo ahí recibí.
Excelente.
Ahí pude vender.
Okay, so yeah, he started accepting payments from tourists that only wanted to pay in Bitcoin. So yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
It's helped his business.
Yeah, it's helped his business definitely.
So now he sees. Is it mostly tourists that are buying Bitcoin from him, or tourists and locals, or?
¿Son más los turistas o los locales que usan Bitcoin por el momento?
Pues no, pero actual los más los turistas.
Los turistas,
sí.
Tourists.
Mainly tourists?
Yeah.
Okay. Does he think, is he trying to explain to his friends and family and locals here on how Bitcoin can work?
¿Intentas explicar Bitcoin, enseñar Bitcoin a tu familia, a tus amigos, o un poco? O...
Probablemente sí, mi familia, mi hermano casi lo usa.
Ah, sí, también.
Sí,
okay.
Mi hermano lo usa.
Okay, sí, so his brother also uses Bitcoin.
Yeah. The orange-pilled his brother.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, cool. So how about then Sandy? And then we're going to see if she's going to buy something in Bitcoin.
Quiero una minuta. Una de limón.
Just a little frozen ice stand. We would call this in Hawaii, we'd call this shave ice.
Yeah.
Little fruit stand, little shave ice.
With this hat is gonna be really good.
It's really hot here.
It has a lemon flavor. It's gonna have
flavor.
lemon, salt, and a little bit of spicy sauce.
That's the thing I noticed in many of the Latin cultures. They like the sweet and spicy together.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be sweet, it's just sour.
Just sour.
Yeah. Lemon, a lot of vitamin C. It's gonna be good for the heat.
It's going to be good for the heat. It's hot. There's some dogs really getting into it over here. There's a big dog fight.
It's a big one.
This one here seems to be the instigator. The black and white dog, she seems to be in the middle of all the fights.
They're jealous
really
because she follows us.
Yeah.
So we give her our rests, and so she eats a little bit more than the others.
I got you.
I got you. So she defends the fort.
Oh, I see. Look at that. She's getting a... Look at that. I know she's going to pay for it in Bitcoin. Yeah. To all the Hawaiians watching, that's a shave ice. It's very popular on all the Hawaiian islands, but especially Oahu and North Shore. And she's going to pay for it from Antonio on his phone. Look at that. We're on an island off of the coast of El Salvador. She's getting a shave ice, a fruit stand. That's pretty amazing. Hola. Hola. And he was saying, Quinton was saying this water behind me, when it rains a lot, it floods so much, and then in about another month it's going to get so big that the island is like cut in half. So one of the things that, and we're going to have a longer interview with Quentin, that, here we go.
Right now?
Here we go. Boom. Todo bien.
Yeah, you receive it.
Perfect. I guess the final question for him when they're done is, does he see, or how does he see Bitcoin helping this whole island?
Ujú.
Yeah.
Una última pregunta, Antonio.
We did it.
¿Cómo ves Bitcoin ayudando a toda la isla en el futuro? ¿Cómo lo ves?
Veo que va mejorando bastante.
Ujú.
Sí, va bien, por lo cual todo está bien porque ya hay tienditas que están recibiendo Bitcoin.
Sí. Okay. Yeah, so he's saying that it's gonna help tourism a lot, and that some shops already accept Bitcoin, and it's only gonna grow.
Awesome. Muchas gracias, señor.
Gracias, Antonio.
Gracias.
Ahí. Estamos.
Shave your knuckles for justice, kids. Bitcoin, saving the world.